Um, in today's lecture, I will talk about Socrates. So, first of all, when you will visit my channel, you will get to know that in my channel I used to upload all the videos of UGC NET preparation. Paper 1 is for the general paper. All the 10 units I will be uploading over there, and paper 2 is for English literature. Okay. So English literature के जितने भी modules हैं, I will be uploading each one of them. Okay, and I have made a separate playlist for like paper one. In paper one there will be 10 different units, and for 10 different units there will be different playlists for each one of them. Likewise, paper two maybe the same will happen. Same will be there. Okay, okay, all right. So this. Socrates, like Socrates was born in Greece, Athens, in 469 BC, and when he was writing, it was a very dangerous time actually, uh, because he was very intelligent and. The people at this time, they had a problem that whatever the upper class people and the lower class people, the upper class people, they used to have some belief systems which Socrates used to correct them. Like for example, and according to Socrates, there is a difference between knowledge and belief. Knowledge is something which is true and which is right, which is true and right for everyone, which is universal truth, like the sun rises in the east. This is what knowledge is all about. This is not belief, right? And what is belief? Belief is something which is true for some people. For example, some five people, if they are saying that no, the sun rises in the west, okay, something they can say, anything they can say, it is their belief, like their point of view. So belief is can be true for some people, but knowledge is something which is true for everyone. Okay. So, in this way, the upper class people used to think that Socrates is kind of humiliating them, which was not right. And this he used to teach by the Socratic dialogue method, like this nowadays today's this law and order system. In court, what happens? The lawyers, they used to ask question. They in the culprit and the lawyer. The lawyer would ask question from the criminal, continuous question from the criminal one after the other, so that the culprit will automatically say the truth. Okay, like by asking questions, um, he will automatically utter the truth from his own mouth. Okay. Likewise, he used to ask questions from the people so that they can move more closer to the truth, and they can say the truth from their own mouth. Okay. Um, Next is he was also put to trial. Like he was in 399 BC, he was put to trial. Like he was made to drink hemlock's poison. Okay, and like forcefully, because it was his death punishment. And like there was a prophecy or an oracle. Okay, what is a prophecy and what is a oracle? Prophecy is a kind of this bhavishyavani in Hindi, and this oracle is a kind of place wherein it's a very you can say there is a kind of mountain top, and on this mountain top there is a temple kind of something, or us temple, inside this temple there is a priest who sits over there, and who used to sit over there and does a prophecy what will happen in the future. So he has that particular priest has done a future prediction or prophecy about Socrates, saying that he will be the wisest of all human beings, wisest of all people. But Socrates was very confused, because he was very shocked actually. He did not even believe the oracle, because he thought that how can it be possible? Like I am a person I may have some knowledge of a particular field, of a particular subject, but I cannot be the wisest of everyone, because there are some areas of knowledge, uh, some sub some areas of knowledge wherein I don't have knowledge about. Okay, a person may be expert in maths, but a person cannot be an expert in sociology, English, Hindi, all other subjects as well. Okay, likewise, I can be an expert in a particular field, a particular. So, um, Socrates, this trial, this oracle's prophecy, and all that. Next is like I also mentioned that he was put to death, this death punishment and all sort of stuff. Okay, so uh, this Socratic dialogue I also mentioned. So okay, hmm, everything I mentioned. Okay, one thing that when Socrates was not believing the oracle's prophecy, he said that how can it be possible? How can I be the wisest of all? But it is what it is. Like there is a beautiful line that says that some like the greatness in a person lies when the person realizes or considers himself as he doesn't know anything. For example, the greatness lies when you realize that you know nothing. So when if I think that I know nothing, that's where my greatness lies. Okay, that is where wisdom is all about. Wisdom lies. Um, okay, so the title that Socrates had was given was the father of philosophy. So he was called as the father of philosophy, like the father of modern English is a Chaucer. Likewise, Geoffrey Chaucer. Likewise, Socrates was titled as the father of philosophy. Okay, uh, that's it for today's lecture. I will upload other Greek critics. If you follow my channel, you will get to know what are the other topics that I'm gonna uploading. Okay, alright. So thank you so much. Do comment like the areas which I'm unable to explain, or I have tried to explain it in a very easier way. I hope it will help in the examination. Okay, from the examination point of view, I have explained everything. So meet you in the next video lecture.